Right now, you could be playing a high-stakes game and you don't even know it. It's a game that involves your most valuable asset, your home. And if you're like most people, you don't even know the rules. Well, how's it played? It starts the minute you filed your claim with your insurance company. Their first play is to send out an adjuster to look at the damage to your home. And what you don't know is that the cards are stacked in their favor. Adjusters are trained in policy coverage, not construction. They're told to look for obvious damage, write an estimate for what the carrier has to pay you for repairs, encourage you to get 3 estimates, and then write you a check to get the work started. So what's their strategy? Well, they know that the more people that they can get to play the game their way, the more money they're going to save. And remember that part about getting 3 estimates? That was their first attempt to get you to play their way. You trust your insurance company, so you call 3 contractors in hopes of finding one that will do the job for what your insurance company has allowed for. You might even believe that you can put a few bucks in your own pocket if you can find one that will do it for less. The big name company in town writes you an estimate for far more than what your insurance company offered. But the no-name company is so cheap that they say that they can do the work and cover your deductible. Well, something seems off about that. But you only have so much money from your insurance company, so it seems like they're your only choice, right? Here's the inside scoop that nobody tells you. Your insurance company is only obligated to pay you what it costs to repair your home less your deductible. In other words, they only pay the amount of the contractor's invoice. If you find someone to do the job for less than what your insurer estimated, then you've just saved them the difference. As a result, you could be getting subpar workmanship and still end up paying your deductible. The only way a contractor can cover your deductible is if they send a fraudulent invoice to your insurer stating that they did the work for far more than what they billed you for. Fortunately, you do have another option. Us. Nowhere in your policy does it state that you have to get 3 estimates. Your role is to find a quality contractor to perform the repairs, and that's all. And guess what? You did it. As a professional restoration contractor, we know the game, and we've got your best interest in mind. Even better, the insurance companies like to work with us because we're able to work within their pricing guidelines, get the repairs done fast, help them close the claim quickly, and make their policyholder happy like no other contractor in the business. We document all the damage to your home, take measurements, and then present a detailed estimate to your insurance company for what they should have paid you in the first place. We then work hand in hand with your insurance company by meeting them on site and by providing them with the documentation to support our estimate. Now, you end up getting a great contractor who not only gets paid enough to do great work, but also stands behind their warranty. We not only educate you on the entire process from beginning to end so that you can make an informed decision, but we handle the entire process so that you can sit back and relax while we play the game for you. The last thing that we would like to leave you with in this game called the insurance claim game is for you to use your imagination. You have a brand new cherry red $240,000 Ferrari 458 Italia. You park it in the outer lot to make sure that no other cars ding it. And one night as you're walking out, you're shocked to discover that a bunch of kids have been using it for target practice with their slingshots. It has so many dents in it that it looks like a giant cherry red golf ball. And fortunately, your auto insurer says that they'll take care of repairing your baby. All you have to do is pay your deductible. Would you go get 3 estimates and choose the cheapest one to do the repairs? Would you choose the dirty body shop that doesn't even have a website? Of course not. You'd use the one that specializes in Ferrari body repair and guarantees to get it back to like-new condition. Why would you do anything different with your home? By choosing us, you're choosing a company that knows exactly how to play the insurance claim game. But more importantly, you're choosing a partner and an advocate that knows exactly what to do to make sure that you're the winner each and every time it's played.